Ltd, and I think food is serious business, but today we're gonna have some fun in the kitchen as we make fish kebabs. If you don't want to use fish, you may use chicken or beef or any other kind of protein, but be careful with your cook time. Fish takes no time at all to cook. If you're going to use another kind of protein, remember it's going to take longer to cook. So now let's go over the ingredients for our fish kebabs. We have some pieces of mahi-mahi. Now you may use any kind of fish that you want, but I'm using mahi-mahi or dolphin today. I would have squeezed some lime and sprinkled some salt all over the fish. Then I would have cut it into cubes or try to make it as evenly cut as possible for our kebabs. We have some green sweet peppers, which I have chopped roughly. Also red sweet pepper, which I have chopped roughly. We have about 3 tablespoons of Bajan seasoning. We have 1 onion, which I also chopped roughly. We have 1 lime, which I sliced, and oil for frying, and our kebab sticks. Our first step is to prepare the fish, so I'm gonna take my fingers, get it all in here, and I'm gonna rub the Bajan seasoning all over the fish and allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna start to prepare our kebabs. It has been about 15 minutes, so now we're going to assemble our kebabs to get ready to cook. This is the last one for now. So our fish kebabs are ready to cook. Now it's time to prepare our griddle. So we're gonna put some oil, allow the oil to get hot. So we have it on medium heat. Make sure we place the oil all over it. Then we're gonna put on our kebabs. Our kebabs are done. Our fish kebabs are done, and they look amazing. The beautiful colors, the red and green from the sweet pepper, that squeeze of lime that you're gonna get, and of course our hero, the fish. Now it's time to taste. I would have allowed it to cool for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna take the lime and I'm gonna squeeze it, and I'm gonna squeeze the lime all over the fish. We're not gonna eat the lime real, the slice of lime. We're just gonna squeeze it. And then I always use my favorite dip, sweet chili sauce. It has the heat from the chili and some honey. It just tastes so good. So I'm gonna roll my kebab in the sweet chili sauce. If you don't like sweet chili sauce, I recommend you use your favorite dip. Then we're gonna taste. So delicious. The fish is so soft because you cooked it for the right amount of time, and the addition of the sweet chili sauce all over it just takes it to another level. Have fun with your food this year. Fish kebabs, now you need to try it. Now if you have enjoyed this fish recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.